Oh, Godzilla versus Kong. You watched it. I didn't watch it yet. Apparently, it's a big hit. $6.7 million added to the box office. Huge pandemic opening. So apparently, it's the best yet as far as pandemic releases are concerned, which has been a tough time for movies. But Kong's doing all right. Or Godzilla and Kong.
Yeah.
They're both doing all right.
They're chilling.
Apparently, they did the HBO Max thing, but they also are in theaters. Theaters are opening up. Well,
yeah.
Godzilla vs. Kong is stomping to a massive opening weekend at the box office. Added another $6.7 million on Thursday, bringing its 2-day domestic total to $16.3 million. Through Sunday, the movie could make between $30 million to $40 million in ticket sales. That's not nothing.
Yeah.
Open on Wednesday, $9.6 million. Go ahead, Will.
This will be a great movie to watch in theaters.
Yeah, actually, that brings me to the next point. In the U.S., 94% of the marketplace has reopened, according to Warner Brothers.
Oh, okay.
For theaters. Actually, for us here in Canada, it's only 30% of theaters, and none of them around here. So you're going to have to wait a little longer to check this out in theater.
Yeah.
But actually, in the U.S., check your local listings because a lot of theaters, apparently, you can get there. They're just running the theaters at a reduced capacity.
Oh, I see.
So you're going to have fewer people in there.
Right.
But nonetheless, it hasn't stopped them from cashing some money. And there's other ways you can watch it as well. As we mentioned, HBO Max aspect, or you can rent it. It's expensive to rent it, but so are movie tickets. If you have a nice setup at home, you might want to go that route. It's quite, because you were watching on the OLED as well. You were bragging about. You walked in here, your whole swagger and everything. I was like, man, I didn't get a chance yet.
I'm just screaming OLED.
I didn't get a chance yet.
Yeah.
So
go for it. It's a fun movie.
It's looking like it's going to be number one. Oh, yeah. Do you want to give us a little teaser, but like no spoilers?
I mean, it's a fun monster movie. Yeah, it's really satisfying. It's one of those movies where you have expectations and it holds true.
Yeah. Is there a twist or no twist?
I don't even want
okay,
to go into
don't
that.
go into that. There's one thing I do want to know. Is it a somewhat fair fight?
Yeah.
Because I knew it would have to be, but I just don't.
It's almost everything that you expect it to be, which is good.
Will he do?
Yeah, go watch it.
Will he do?
I recommend it.